Hey, it's Dr. Greg with Align Wellness here, and today I want to talk with you a little bit about some back to school tips. Our kids are getting started to go back. I know that many kids in the areas have already started to go back, and if you want to make sure that your kids can wind up studying and doing the classwork that they need, I've got two big tips for you today. First off, when you're having your kids do their study and their works, and I know that's probably a week or so away, you've got to be sure that you tilt the book up that they're reading from or they're studying from. When your book is flat on the table, it winds up causing you to bend over and look down at the book. It can wind up causing stress and strain throughout the upper part of your back and your neck. It can lead to headaches, migraines, and difficulty focus on the classwork at hand, which makes your kid not want to study, not focus as long as they can. When you wind up tilting it up, and there's a few different ways you could do it. You could do it on some books so that it's slightly elevated. You can wind up doing it, they've got book props that you can actually do it on, just like when we wind up working on our iPad or whatnot, we can wind up setting it up to be elevated. So if your kids are studying from their iPad and their technology, having a brace so that it winds up sitting up and looking at them so that they can read easier. Mom and dad too, if you do any reading on a Kindle or on your device, important to keep it upright and up by your eyes. When we read down like this, it's real similar and the same, just as if it's in a book or if it's on a device. So let's make sure that we're bringing the books that we're reading up so that we can wind up looking at them and sitting up nice and straight so that we don't strain our shoulders and our upper back. If you are someone you know does do that or has done that and they get tension across their shoulders, it's usually a sign that something inside isn't working right, particularly if it happens again and again and again. If that's you or someone you know, let's look to connect so that we can wind up figuring out the cause of the problem so you can get back to reading, book work, technology work, and feeling great. Once again, I'm Dr. Greg Gersten with the Align Wellness Center, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.